Hey everybody, this is Toadtalks, and today I will be talking about my favorite applications for design. I use three main design apps, and I would consider it my bread and butter for all of my projects. Number one, which is my all-time favorite, is Adobe Illustrator. I was always fascinated with the idea of creating an unlimited amount of things straight from your imagination, all starting from simple shapes to create complex ideas. Second on the list is Adobe Photoshop. You can do so many things here and make all of your projects come to life. From enhancing the look of your projects with cool effects to photo editing, Photoshop can do a lot of amazing things. And for my last, Procreate. Procreate is an app that is on the iPad, and it is amazing and it's quickly grown to be one of my favorites. And fun fact, Procreate actually saved my life back when I was in school for my final thesis. It has condensed my workload by 1,000,000 and made everything so much easier for me to work with. To be honest, I don't remember the last time I picked up a pen and paper to actually draw. So those are my top 3 design applications, and I would recommend them to anybody who is pursuing an art career. Okay, that concludes everything I wanted to talk about today. Don't forget to like and comment and let me know what you want to hear in the next video.